Snake Wranglers. Hope y'all enjoyed your ride on the Iron Rattler. Now give that restraint a little push up, unbuckle your seatbelt, head on out to your left. Don't forget any loose gear and whatnot. Have a great day at Six Flags.
To make us now finding their seats quickly. Find your seats, put everything to the side. Please do not hurt anybody or trample anybody. Thank you very much. Seatbelts first, lap bars second. All clear. Dispatching train. Hello, cremains, you're up and out of here, so sit back. Try and relax and enjoy your ride here with the Iron Rattler.